Driving my own car, of course.
You are driving?
Yes.
Why? You are drunk?
I'm not drunk. I'm driving my car. I don't drink. I don't.
You allegation you are drink.
No, of course not. The press.
Why?
Because I'm diplomatic staff.
No,
from the
diplomatic nahi. You allegation you are drink.
No, of course not. I don't drink.
medical-
I don't. Only because I'm Christian, I don't drink.
No, your medical last me.
You are driving? You are driving?
Yeah.
You are driving?
Yes, I'm driving my own car. Of course.
You are driving?
Yes.
Why? You are drunk?
I'm not drunk. I'm driving my car. I don't drink. I don't drink alcohol.
You drunk? You drunk? You please going to hospital.
I can go to any
You are investigation. Can you drink or normal?
What's your name?
Your name? Your good name?
Excuse me.
Your good name?
Martin.
Huh?
My name is Martin.
Which position?
Commercial officer with the German consulate.
You drink?
No, I don't drink. I don't drink anyway.
No, you come to hospital.
Yeah, I can go to the hospital. I have no problem.
You go?
Yes, of course, anytime.
एक बात सुनिए एक मिनट तक बंद करा दें कैमरा में आराम से एक का इंटरव्यू कर दें एकदम किसी का भी नहीं आएगा ना एक मिनट बंद करा दें
गाड़ी चला रहे थे खुद
सब इन्फॉर्मेशन बंद कर दें एक मिनट के लिए मेरे दोस्त यार अगर कुछ मुझे आप लोग समझते हैं तो 2 मिनट के लिए बंद कर दें 2 मिनट के लिए बंद कर दें अभी सारे टेक इट इजी ना टेक इट इजी
I was coming slowly and the other car was
In
speeding.
Pakistan CCTV, the city government accuse you.
Yeah, I can.
Accuse.
Yeah, I'm taking that to court. I have no problem with that.
You please spoke in media. Which
I have no problem with the media. I have an accident. I don't want to speak to media. Why would I want to speak to media?
why? No,
Why?
media.
Media is, yeah,
International media.
nothing to do with me. I don't speak to media. Why would I want to speak to media?
Why?
Why? Yeah, why? Exactly why?
Sir, what's your name? Excuse me, sir.
name what
What's the name? What is your name?
name
Excuse me.
what's your name
What is happening here? I don't understand.
your name
Explain to me what is happening here. Why do I have to speak to me?
Germany.
good name you belong to embassy
No, not embassy.
I know
Consulate, yes.
you are good name please good name
My name is Martin.
Martin.
Yes.
I know you must be belong to which embassy
German consulate.
German consulate
Yes.
Mr. Martin German consulate
What was your designation in German consulate?
My designation is commercial officer. Yes.
Mr. Martin, can you explain how the happened accident occurred?
Well, I was approaching the crossroads, and there was 2 cars speeding from the left, and I stopped the car because there was 2 cars, and the second car hit me.
How many persons are sitting in your car?
Only me.
Only me.
Yes.
It was just happened, or your speed is too much high?
I stopped. I didn't speed. I stopped at the crossroads. They were speeding. They hit me. I didn't hit anybody.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay.